America was built on innovation, but long before modern medicine, families relied on their own clever survival hacks. Back in the 1800s, there were no drugstores nearby, just kitchen cures like garlic milk for colds and whiskey for pain relief. Imagine a settler family using onion syrup to soothe coughs, turning pantry ingredients into medicine. Many of these strange-sounding remedies actually work, and modern science is starting to prove their benefits. Baking soda was used for heartburn and cleaning wounds, while apple cider vinegar served as a tonic during the Great Depression. Early American dentists relied on clove oil to relieve tooth pain, especially during World War II when supplies were tight. Fast forward to today, and science is finally catching up to Grandma's medicine cabinet. Baking soda helps athletes recover by balancing pH. Vinegar is studied for lowering blood sugar, and clove oil's pain-relieving properties are well documented. But health isn't just about remedies, it's about lifestyle. Meet Mark, a typical 35-year-old office worker who's ready for change. He adds simple hacks like vinegar water in the morning, cold showers, and daily push-ups to boost his energy and lose weight. After just 30 days, Mark's more energetic, healthier, and sleeping better. A small daily routine with big results. Here are some shocking health facts. Your stomach acid can dissolve a razor blade, and every cigarette took 11 minutes off someone's life back in the 1950s. Your gut bacteria outnumber your own cells and actually control cravings, while cold showers boost dopamine more than coffee. So what's the truth from America's health history? Small, consistent habits matter more than miracle cures. From vinegar tonics to push-ups, the everyday things we overlook may be our real secret weapons for health. In the end, America's forgotten remedies remind us health isn't always found in a pill bottle. Sometimes it's one drop, one push-up, or one glass of water. Are you willing to try?